Get to making with jive or station. When it hits you, yes.
Bougie Duchess here, and today I am preparing a most excellent grilled cheese sandwich on the stovetop. Okay, so for my ultimate grilled cheese recipe, I use some Artisan bread, white bread. I use some baby Swiss cheese, some smoked Gouda, and then I sprinkle just a little bit of some McCormick bacon pieces onto it. So here we are. We've got the Gouda cheese, the baby Swiss, and some bacon bits, along with some Artisan white bread. We put it on top there. There we go. Now, we've got the pan here, and we've got some grapeseed oil, and I turn it on low heat. You can see the flame there. It's low heat. And I put the bread back on there, just like that. And then I put the lid on top, and I let it slowly cook and grill that cheese to the surface of the bread. You can use any kind of cheese that you want. I sprinkle some McCormick bacon bits into it, and I put it together, and then I cover it in the pan so that it will start to slowly melt the cheese. I sprinkle some of the grated cheese on the outside so that it will create a crustiness to the bread. It is excellent. Mwah! Stay tuned. Now, we've got it. It's toasting on this side. And I'm getting ready to flip it, but before I flip it, I need to put just a little bit more cheese down to toast for the other side. And I flip it right over on top of that. Just like that. See how it's already starting to toast on the top there? Delicious. Okay, Brian, why don't you grab a piece of that? Take a bite for the viewers and let them know what you think. Oh, crunchy, huh?
Orgasmic.
Orgasmic. Wow. Just imagine that. This is the Bougie Duchess. Have yourself a fantastic day. This is my version of a grilled cheese. Bye now. Mwah.